So I'm in my car, and this is what's going on right now. I can't start the car. I tried auto starting it when I walked up here, didn't work. Got in the car, and it says this message. I can't do nothing. I can't shift it out. It says it's stuck, and it says service transmission, continue and drive, do not shift. It says until you reach the dealership location, you may not be able to shift again. But when I try to start it, nothing happens. Press brake and push it again. Auto park disabled. Press brake and push button to start. Nothing's happening. Auto park disabled. It just keeps blinking. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck, so that's what it's doing.